At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well. I am also well. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to say something about myself. Well, my name is Kaji Mustafizur Rahman. Everyone address me Mustafiz. Actually, I am from Kumilla at this moment. I live at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. Basically, I am a student. Recently, I completed my diploma in engineering course. Majoring was computer science and technology. After completed my diploma engineering course, then I finished my Japanese language course. At this moment, I am studied in English language at English Fantasy. I like to play football because Ronaldo is my favorite footballer. And in my free time, I like to read book and fictional book, and I also like watching anime. Something is Japanese character, that's why I like to watch anime. My future plan is go to abroad, and my dream country is UK. That's why I took my admission is English Fantasy. I dislike cheating and bad beating. My future plan is to be a businessman. Thank you very much to listening to me. See you next video. Thank you.